Hi, I'd like to buy this.
That'll be $7.50.
$7.50? Yeah. Let me just find money. Why are you going through the trash? Because, Daniela, each of these cans, if you recycle them, you get 5 cents. So while you're standing over there doing nothing, I'm making money.
That's only $1.20.
Money's money! Yeah, I'm gonna have to put that back. When I was younger, all I wanted to do was buy candy. But of course, I had no money to buy candy. So I'm gonna show you guys some ways that you can make money as a kid and a teenager, and then maybe you could buy your own candy. Or not. Stay tuned till the end for my giveaway winner of my 500,000 subscriber giveaway. Let's see if we can get this video to 20,000 likes. Let's go! So, what do you do?
Hi, are you Rachel?
Yeah, hi!
I'm a friend of your mom. She said you like doing makeup. I was wondering if you could do my makeup for my nephew's party. I'll give you $40.
Done. Okay, now I'm just going to post this to the Selling Clothes Facebook group, and hopefully somebody will want to buy it. Done. How to make money fast on the internet. Enter. Receive rewards like cash, Amazon gift cards, iTunes gift cards, and get entered into the $10,000 quarterly draw. For active members, each time you participate in a survey, you receive an entry into the drawing. No limit how many entries anyone can earn, just for sharing my opinion. Yes, let's do this. Ooh, it's free. I'm all for them wanting my opinion, but why do... Oh, okay, cool, there's an answer right here. Research companies need your opinions on topics like food, TV, movies, new products, and politics. If there's money involved, I can help them with that. If I want to get emails from Opinion Outpost, I have to check Promotions tab in Gmail. Got it. Oh snap, I got entered. Dang. I think it's lovely that I'm making money by sitting down on my butt. So I'm going to put this link down below. Look at this website.
Wow, you're doing the dishes? Rachel, you're doing laundry? Wow, you're cleaning the floor?
Mom, I think that we can all agree that I've been working very hard in this house lately and doing all of my chores and making sure everything is done. So, do you think that there's a slight possibility that maybe I can get a raise in my allowance?
Yes, I think that's fair.
Okay, cool. Love you.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Now here's some of my favorite immoral ways to make money. You wanna buy some chocolate? Mom, I need money for a class trip.
Okay, here you go.
Okay, cool. Thank you. A class trip to nowhere.
Can you blow my whistle?
You wanna buy my lunch for $5? I'm selling. Okay. Now for the 500,000 subscriber giveaway winner. But if you don't win this giveaway, I'm uploading my 600,000 subscriber giveaway on Sunday, which is these prizes, but, you know, vamped up. The Twitter winner will be announced on my Twitter account, and the Instagram winner will be announced on my Instagram account. And the YouTube winner is... Congratulations, you are the winner. And if you didn't see my previous 2 videos, make sure to click those down there. And also, if you didn't subscribe yet, you should subscribe. Bye!